welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy V-part wig without no leave out, no edges, nothing. No leave out, no edges, nothing. You just throw it on, and as you can see, this is the hair, and I cannot wait to tell you guys all the details and everything about the hair because you don't want to miss it. Especially it's a V-part wig, and y'all gotta know. Y'all need to know the whole tea about this type of wig. And the wig is from Beauty Forever, and this is my first time trying out their wigs and V-part wig. So if you guys want to see me install this beautiful V-part wig, then just keep on watching. This is the Beauty Forever V-part wig, and I literally split it when I said V-part. And this is a curly wig. Actually, let me give you guys the exact name. This is the Beauty Forever V-part wig, real hair curly wigs, human hair, glueless, upgrade U-part wig with 150% density in it. And this wig is 24 inches. I love the curl pattern on it. I already have my middle part ready, and I have moved my hair because earlier I had a sleek type of bun. But yeah, do not mind the makeup because like I said, I did a sleek part bun and I had to move this, so yeah, I'll fix it later. Plus it's not going to be shown anyway since it is a middle part. And this is what the inside of it looks like. It has 2 clips on each side, one in the center and one right here and one right here and one right here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah, it has one at the bottom. And when you receive the wig, the box will look like this, except for this dent, because UPS, USPS, FedEx, all them, they be really playing sometimes. They need to chill out. And they also give some directions on the back of it. When you open it, you will receive these goodies, and y'all know this is like one of my favorite parts of when I receive a wig. I had received these giant purple clips, which are so handy to have, so actually I might use those. Then I received some Beauty 3D eyelashes, a wig cap, and I realized this is like the perfect color for me instead of using the other color that I used before. So best believe I'm going to be using this colored type of wig cap on me, but I don't need to use it today obviously because you know it's a V-part wig. Then I received a scarf, and ooh, this print is so cute. Look at this print though in the middle. It has like flowers or something and bows. This is so cute. So before I put it on, I really want to wet this part and kind of get it like, I don't want to say frizzy, but I really want to make this look as realistic as possible. So I'm not going to add any gel right now. Like I already have gel in my hair, but I just need it to look a little bit frizzy and not too perfect. Then I just had unclipped the clips, so all 4 of them are unclipped. Then I'm just gonna do this and try to center this as much in the middle. And this is how the wig looks on me. I really like it. And this is my first time using a V-part wig without using leave out. And this is pretty good, honestly. It did take me a few times to make sure that it's secured and it matches and blends in as well as it can. But other than that, I really like it. And I might add some more water and gel just to make sure that everything blends really well. And yeah, the hair though, I don't think I want to add any product in it just because the curls are so pretty. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the curls are already popping. just gonna add a little bit of water right here. Just floof it out a little bit just because I don't really need to add any product since the hair already came popping and already looking done. All I did literally was just have to throw it on, nothing else. Put my hair in the middle part, clip it, and out the door I go, because this is like so easy to do. This is perfect for anyone, especially for people that don't even like doing baby hairs, or you know, they just want to like leave the house, like just throw some hair on and just leave the house ASAP. So yeah, this is perfect. Literally, you don't even have to do the hair, at least not yet, because these curls already look like they came done and everything. I truly love this hair. I love this hairstyle. I love how everything looks, and the hair feels so soft. Like, I really love the texture of the hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything I used and mentioned will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys go check that out. And of course, do not forget to check out Beauty Forever wigs. Their wigs are really good quality, especially this V-part wig. I rate this wig a 10 out of 10 because it already came done. It was easy to clip on, so yeah, and the quality of the hair is not shedding, because sometimes the hair can shed even if you're only doing like a little bit of finger detangling. So yeah, I rate this wig a 10 out of 10 for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.